I've been selling images of my AI influencer, Kate, for 0.7 of a cent each. And you can do the same too. If you're not making money with your AI influencer, you're leaving thousands of dollars on the table. Just a few days ago, I made a video tutorial on creating and monetizing an AI influencer, and I'll leave the link in the description below. So pay close attention as we dive in. After hours of research, I discovered a platform that's a game changer. Let me share a secret you won't find anywhere else. This platform displays our photos to other visitors on the site, and when they view our photos, we make money. Once our earnings reach $15, we can request a withdrawal with payments made securely through PayPal. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this platform legit, or is it just another scam? Well, I asked Google, and guess what? It's the real deal. You can see that Google has verified that this platform is actually a legitimate way to make money online. So what are you waiting for? So, let's dive in. I'm going to walk you through creating your own AI influencer from scratch, uploading and selling your images, and making some sweet money. And don't worry, I've got all the tools you need lined up. All you need is your phone, a computer, and an internet connection. Let's go make real money. Come on, let's go. Oh, here's where the magic happens. We're about to create our AI influencer, so stay with me and don't miss a step. Click on the first link in the video description below. We're using a popular platform that even big creators use for their AI influencers. Now, hit create for free. The platform gives you 80 free credits daily, but I'm on a subscription. Just to clarify, this isn't sponsored. Scroll down and you'll see some seriously cool AI influencers with consistent styles and different looks. Pretty wild, right? Now, check this out. I've got 2 AI influencers, Kate and Tinny. Let me show you something awesome. These are images I whipped up in seconds. You can see by yourself that they come in different styles and poses, showing consistent in their appearance and performing different activities, and I'm posting them on ClickAsnap to make money. Let waste no time. Let's go ahead and create your AI influencer now. I can't wait to show you. To get started, click on Create Portrait Model and then hit up the AI influencer generator. Pay close attention, because if your AI influencer isn't attractive, nobody's going to click on it. First, pick a gender. I'm going with a woman, age 28. The country doesn't matter much. It's all about making your AI influencer look amazing. Next up is eye color. You've got options: blue, brown, green, and gray. I'm going with blue. You can also pick a hairstyle, but I'll skip that for now and head to hair color. I'm picking white hair because I want the hair to resemble Helen Mirren, the British actress, and Emmylou Harris, the American singer. Now, let's choose a face shape. There are plenty to pick from, but I'll go with a square round option. We've customized our AI influencer, but there's one more section. It's optional, but you can add a dimple, beard, or suntan. I'm adding a dimple, then click Generate, and boom! Your AI influencer is ready. If you don't like it, you can tweak the options and try again. But I'm loving this one. Now click Select this image as a reference and give your model a name. I'm naming mine Mary, with a short description like a young American female with white hair. Hit Create Your Image Model, and that's step 1 done. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. The comment section is all yours. Feel free to ask me any question. Let's move on to step 2, modifying our AI influencer. Many people struggle to get views on their AI influencers because they miss this step. To modify our AI influencer, we'll focus on style, architecture, landscape, and more. You'll see different styles and actions for your AI influencer. I'll select the underwater style with a 16.9 aspect ratio, then click Generate. While it's generating, I'll generate another one in the cafe style. Voila! The images are amazing and realistic. Guys, this is awesome. The images is pretty cool and very beautiful. We can generate more with different scenes and activities. But check this out. To increase your chances of getting more views, check out Lil Michaela, an AI influencer with about 2.5 million followers. Her images have different poses, styles, and settings, making them very attractive and realistic. We can do the same thing. Now let's hit up the Complete Set option. Here you can choose different poses and styles for your AI influencer. I'm selecting the turkey style, then generating it. I'll also generate the fashionable and street photography styles. Here's the final product. The images we generated are stunning, super realistic, and ready to be posted on the platform to start making money. You can create different kinds of images and styles using this method. It's easy and works for everyone. They show consistent face with different outfits, scene, and different activities. Let waste no time. You can also try cool features like video face swap, image face swap, and talking avatars. I've linked a video in the description where I break down how to use all those features. If you are new here, you can join our community called Future Tech Crew by hitting on the like and subscribe button. Let's set up an account on ClickAsnap. They're pretty strict, so follow these steps carefully to avoid getting banned. On the Explore tab, you'll see all kinds of images that people have posted. To sign up, click Sign Up at the top. Choose a username for your AI influencer, enter your email, password, and make sure to read the terms and conditions. Remember, this platform is strict. Hit Sign Up to create your account. The platform has a subscription fee of about 1.7 euros per month, where you earn around 0.7 of a cent per view. The Pro version is 5 euros per month and pays around 0.9 of a cent per view, plus extra features. But don't worry, I will give you my opinion on the subscription. Click Continue for free. We'll set up the username and other details later, so skip that for now. This is how your interface is going to look like. Very boring. Let's get your profile customized. Click on Edit Profile. For the display name, I will type in Mary for the influencer. For the username, leave it as it is. After choosing a username, click the check button to see if it's acceptable. For the profile image, click and select one of the images you downloaded. Boom, it's uploaded. Now scroll down and select the header image. Make sure it's 1020x380 in size. I'll select one here and upload it. Next is the bio. Visit ChatGPT and type this prompt. Please provide a short bio of my AI influencer image on ClickAsnap. Please don't include AI influencer in the bio. Then add a description of your AI influencer. Copy the generated bio and paste it back into the platform. If you are in Germany, fill the Impressum section and you can add your website as well. If you are done, don't forget to click on Update Account to save the changes. We're now at the final step where we make the real money. If you don't upload the images correctly, they won't get many views and you won't make money. Follow these steps carefully. Click on Upload at the top. You can upload 10 images in bulk. Click on Add Photo or drag and drop your images. Boom! They're uploaded. You can upload up to 20 images a day, which is great. Type in the title of your image. If you're unsure, head to ChatGPT and type, "I'm uploading my images on ClickAsnap featuring travel in London. Please provide a title, description, tags, and alt text." You can see ChatGPT do the magic. It has generated in seconds now. Copy the title, description, and tags. Then paste them back into the platform. Select the category of your image. For example, mine is travel. You can also create an album. I'll show you that in a bit. When you look at the quality score, it should be perfect. Repeat these steps for all the images you upload. Then click Upload All. Image successfully uploaded. Here are some tips to help you go viral. I've created an album called Travel. Creating an album increases the chances of someone viewing all your images, maximizing your earnings per paid view. Also, consider the platform's subscription plans. The basic is 1.7 euros per month, where you earn per paid view with unlimited uploads. The Pro plan is 5 euros per month and 0.9 of a cent per paid view with additional features. I recommend starting with the free version. If you gain followers and views, you can upgrade to a paid plan and start making money. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out how to monetize your AI influencer in this video. And best TikTok niche is to get to 10K fast. So click on it and let go!